Hey folks, lots of sunshine, warm temperatures across the valley today. Okay, hot temperatures across the valley today. And don't see any changes coming anytime soon. We have a very slight chance for a shower the next couple of days, but we're talking very slight, 10% or less. Most areas are going to be dry for the foreseeable future. Let's start with current temperatures. Here's where we are right now, 105 in Rio Grande City, but everybody else across most of the valley in the 90s. Then you get to the coast, a little cooler, 89 in Port Isabel, 83 on the island. Tomorrow's highs are right back in the 90s in most places, 97 in Weslaco. We did hit 98 today, so right in the same ballpark. About 87 at the beach for a high there, and there's your 10% chance for a brief shower, but I think we're talking very brief, very isolated. A vast majority of the valley, if not all, should stay dry across the valley tomorrow. Now, as you look at the next 3 days, I just don't see any changes. The only thing that's going to happen is, if anything, the atmosphere is going to get even more stable as we go down the road a little ways. And when that happens, boy, the heat is on. And once it gets hot, it's just going to stay hot, because lacking any tropical activity nearby, we don't see anything to change it. Right now, there is no tropical activity nearby, and nothing expected anytime soon. Now, Future Track suggests that tonight, yes, some patchy clouds. And if you look, there's some clouds tomorrow, and could be a green blip on there, but not much more than a green blip. I think for the most part, it is a dry day across the area. And the same goes for Wednesday. Could be a brief green blip in one or two spots, but it's nothing more than that. For the most part, you're looking at a couple of dry days across the area. We're putting a 10% chance in there tomorrow and Wednesday, but that's it. And after that, it's even drier than that. I think our rain chances do disappear by the time we get to the end of the week. It's hot. Look at Laredo, 104. Del Rio's 105. You get a little farther north, though, it's only 86 in Dallas. They had some rain today, 83 in the Abilene area. You look at the clouds firing up over North Texas, but they're going to stay up there. But that's a sign there's a little bit of a disturbance over Northeast Texas, and it's a long way away from us, but could be just close enough to trigger an isolated shower. And again, you look at the map, there's a front up there, there's rain up there, but down here, just that 10% probability, and that is about it. We don't see much beyond that. And if you look at tomorrow, I mean, it starts off cool way north, where we're 80 to start the day, and by afternoon we're in the 90s valley-wide. It's even 94 in Midland, but Houston, scattered showers and maybe even a thunderstorm thrown in. So for tonight, 79, partly cloudy skies, a little breezy this evening, but that breeze dies down. Then tomorrow we're climbing back up to about 97. Again, a brief shower can't be ruled out, but I really think most of the day tomorrow is dry. Here we go, the next 7 days, and you notice that it was hot and humid today. It'll be that way tomorrow. By the time we get to the weekend, it's hotter and probably every bit as humid, if not even more so, and your rain chances dwindle to pretty much zero after the next couple of days as a new high-pressure ridge builds in the upper atmosphere. Next half hour, we'll look at the tropics. There's activity out there, because I'll update that 7-day forecast in just a few minutes.